Hello and welcome to HiCAD short clip. In this video I would like to present you some of the new features of our module element installation. Let's start right away with the first new feature. I open the dialog window for element installation. This dialog has been extended in the lower area with the selection groups, which can be arranged individually by the user. The settings will be saved in the feature log. I would like to edit the selection group left in order to extend it with the connection right outer corner edged. Another new feature is the function for lateral connection with additional flange. This can be necessary if, for instance, a tray panel needs to be folded several times, as for instance a column cladding. For this purpose, another flange is attached via the sheet metal module, and afterwards the new design variant of the connection flange for SZ20 will be used. The design variant recognizes automatically what is supposed to be on top and bottom, and the connection will be thus created accordingly. Eventually I will be creating the last lip for both sheets and connect these with the design variant. The last new feature of this clip concerns the Mitre cut with milling edge. For this I will specify the element installation dialog via the feature entry. Here I choose the selection group tab, go to extended settings where we can find the function for Mitre cut with milling edges. In order to make the difference quite plain, I will be creating a bending simulation and unfold the sheet. This setting is being taken over in the sheet metal development, which is regulated under extended settings, tab milling and folding, with the option show milled area. And clicking on development, the outer edges and the milling tool path are displayed in different colors. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon.